Alright, so I got this thing like nice, super straight. I got it down to 180. I'm just filling in all little tiny scratches with the stuff. Alright, and then I'll go back over it with 180. Got it down to 80, I'm gonna go 180, I'm sorry. Oh, I think we're done. Just trying to get it so it just fills in all these little scratches. That's it. I think that's it. A little bit right here. Where'd it go? I just saw something. Where did it go? I just saw it right here. This had a little ding in it. I think that's it. Okay, I'm gonna let that sit till tomorrow, and then hit it with 180, and then we're gonna prime it. See, now because I got all goop all over, but it's, the line is nice, crisp, straight, this way, this way, this way, the whole bit. So, all right, so that's all done. So tomorrow, hit that with 180. This corner came out real nice. I'm gonna weld a piece of over the hole that's under the seat, that was under the seat. So I'm going to take care of that while this is drying tomorrow morning. Everything else, hopefully by tomorrow afternoon, it'll be in primer. Let it sit for a couple of days, block it out. Okay? That's that. All right. I'm going to clean this thing out so we could get this car back in here. Got it outside. I'll blow it all off, clean it all up, get it ready for some primer. Stay tuned. Okay. So, sanded these down. We wanted these black. Took the rubber things off. Without taking them off, we got them as black as we could get them. I don't think I missed anything except like we're in the top, we can't get none. So those are all black. So 2K epoxy black. We got all the inside where we, you know, did all the welding and everything. Let's see if you can see that. That's all done now. All the way back here, all the way up in there. Thing looks good. So, okay. I'm gonna get the wheels back on it.
That one's black.
All inside, yeah, all inside there. So now the outside, we're gonna tape the rest of the car off again. I just took all this stuff off it.
Yeah.
We're gonna tape this stuff off because we're getting ready to let it down. I didn't realize I forgot to start video. So I'm gonna put the wheels back on it, put it back in the other room again, jack it back up, take the wheels back off, and then
prime all this.
Prime all this in black epoxy first, and then 2K gray primer, ready for block. All right, and there we go.
Grab, yeah. Hang on. Okay, tape it all off.
just so you can just see the red. This way I know it's all sealed off. Alright, then we'll cover the whole rest of the car up. I got the door jammed on, I got to look to the other side. That all off. Alright, so we got the temperature up. We got it all taped off. I'll hit the jam and then close the doors. And then tape that, you know, like cover them back up and stuff. So I'm going to mix up black epoxy first. Same stuff we used underneath. Put 2 coats of that on there. It's 2-part epoxy. I'll show you what it is. And then the gray 2-part epoxy high build primer. Alright, so we're using this here. This has a hardener. And then we're going to use the 2K with the hardener. Okay, a little bit of reducer in each one, just a little splash. Okay, here we go. Alright. Nice pattern. Here we go. Okay. Looks good. Looks good to me. Alright, I'm gonna hit this one more time on the top and on that side. Give it one more coat. And then I'm gonna hit it with the 2K. Alright, so I got the 3 coats total. And I'll tell you what, you could paint that car black. It'll look good. So, thank you, Lord. I'm not bragging. I'm just saying it came out nice. Hold on, let me turn this around. That's as straight as you're going to get after Frankensteining it. That thing came out good. So, once I put the 2K on it and block it, it'll be like glass. So I don't even know if I'm going to block it because obviously there's a lot more work to do to this car, but we'll see what happens. I'm going to definitely put 3 good heavy coats on it. So it'll be way lots of blocking. Okay? You got plenty of blocking to do. Alright, let me get this going here. Before I do the gray. Remember that line? Alright? Nice. See that? That came out good. This line on this side, same thing. Came out beautiful. All that came out really good. Again, it's got little spots where, you know, it needs to be filled with the 2K primer and then blocked. But the panels are nice and straight. Like really nice and straight. And then the underneath, I'll get a light. I think Josh showed you this before, but they look factory again. All right? All right, let me get the 2K, the gray on there. Show you that one. All right, so got all my stuff cleaned up. Beautiful. Okay, came out great. I'm like super excited about how it came out. Really, really good. Okay, so we'll let that sit for a couple of days. Get nice and hard like a rock. Then we'll go in there and guide coat it and hit it with the block with like 600 or something and make sure there's no little waves and little whatever, and get all the little scratches out. And if we got to hit it again, we'll hit it again, but should be good. Okay, so it might need one more coat after we're all sanded, but we'll see. As long as we don't break through nowhere, we should be good. All right, so don't forget to like and subscribe. You'll see the rest of it, the blocking, and then hopefully we're done and put it back together and get it out. All right, thanks for watching.